What's up you guys, it's your girl Lashonda B and I am back with a new video. It is late at night and I'm very tired, so hopefully I hold up long enough to deliver this to you guys. But today I'm going to be doing a perm rod set on my locks. So I went ahead and washed my hair, and the shampoo that I use is the Suave Naturals. I haven't used this in a while, but I remember when I did use it that it was hydrating, so I needed a little moisture, so I decided to use a hydrating shampoo. And then I used this Kaleidoscope 5-in-1 reconstructor. If you haven't watched my review, go watch that. I will put the link in the description box, but this is so fire. It's basically like a to me, it's like a conditioner, but like a cleansing conditioner, if that makes sense. And it makes my hair feel really nice, but get all of the gunk and stuff out. As y'all can see, it's looking good. So the products I'm going to be using today is the Tropical Roots Foam Mousse, and I'm just going to be using my growth oil. I don't think I need like a gel base today. I want to use the mousse because I know that mousse holds style very well. So yeah, I'm just going to be using water, mousse, and oil. That's it. Okay, you guys, so my hair is still wet from washing it, but I do keep my spray bottle on the side just in case, because y'all know colored natural hair dries very quick. It gets very dry quick. So yeah, I'm going to keep that on the side, and I'm just going to start off by applying this. Put a little bit. We don't want any type of buildup or anything. And then I would recommend, if you're using an oil that has a dropper, I'm gonna put it like in a bowl or on like a flat surface that you don't mind oil going, because I'm just gonna dab it as I apply. We're gonna retwist. Now after retwisting, I add one clip. And then I'm going to go in with the perm rod. This is the size that I got. And then I have another size like this. I don't really have that much of perm rod, so I'm just praying this work out. If not, I have brush rollers, which kind of looks the exact same, and I know it'll get the job done just the same. So just as the same. What am I saying? It will get the job done just as well as the perm rods. So those will be my backup. But I'm literally just going to go in from the bottom. Let me make that a little bit closer too. And I'm just going to roll. Just like that. And I put the clip on my roots because I want it to like look like a drop curl. I don't want it to be too intense and tight of a curl. I want it to be retwisted, flat, and then drop into a nice curl. So this is my first time doing a perm rod set on my own actual locks, so I'm praying that this is working out or going to work out good, and y'all better pray with me. Like we're good. So my hair is already drying up, y'all. Colored natural hair dries up quick. So keep that spray bottle. So we're just repeating the same thing, and the oil. I like to palm roll most of the time when retwisting my lights. I like to palm roll. Going with the perm rod. And literally just add that on. Oh, and don't forget, don't forget to add the clip. I'm talking about perm rod. This retwist and perm rod needs to be fire, period. Uh-oh, look, I'm messing up already. Lord be with me. All right. So I'm just going to continue the same method throughout the hair, and then I'll show you guys through the process. Okay, you guys, so I paused in the middle of the process just to show you guys how it's coming up. I added in some magnetic rollers just in case I run out of perm rods. So, you know, it works just as good, and it always kind of gives a similar outcome so that you can't really tell the difference of which tool I used. So yeah, I'm just going to finish this off, y'all. Play me some Summer Walker, and I'll be back with you. Okay, you guys, I'm done putting them on. It honestly did not take me as long as I thought it was going to take me. I think it took like 45 minutes most. I did end up using the magnetic rollers, the perm rods, and the brush rollers. I never used brush rollers before, but I like the grip that it has on the lock. And it's not coming out, and it comes like with this little stick, and you just stick it through, and it's pretty like put together. And I chose the ones that are around the size of the perm rods. They do have like different ones, and this is the brush rollers that I used. They were gifted to me, so I'm going to just put a bonnet over my head. Hopefully it can fit. Put a bonnet over my head, and then I'm going to show you guys the results tomorrow. Okay, you guys, so it is the next day and I am back. I did blow dry my hair for about an hour because it just wasn't drying fast enough for me. So I'm gonna go ahead and start by taking them out, and let's see how they look. Okay. All right, we got curls. Oh yeah, this is about to be cute, y'all. Yeah, look at that. Adorable. So I'm gonna go ahead and take the rest of the rods and rollers out of my head, and I'll be back with you guys. Okay, so I'm back, you guys, and the hairstyle came out very, very bomb. Like, I love it. I feel like I could have let it sit in a little bit longer, but I have to go to work, so I kind of had to rush the process of taking them out. But I am still very, very satisfied, and they look good. They look neat. I kind of kept a couple of the clips in because those parts were wet, so I wanted to keep the curl, hold it up until it dries before I go to work. But I feel like it looks bomb, you guys. I'm gonna do my edges and we're gonna be in the game, period. Y'all see the retwist also. Shiny. Dreamers Boulevard on the oil. Get your flourish, period. But yes, y'all, I love my hair. So thank you guys for watching. Like, comment, and subscribe. Let me know about other lock styles because I don't really have that much knowledge on a lot of woman lock styles, and I want to try something different. So yeah, let me know. But thank you guys for watching. Like, comment, and subscribe, and your girl is out.